Have you ever judged someone only by their uniform? Or thought a rich man's world could never collide with the struggles of a common worker? This is the story of Victor Raymond, a billionaire known for his luxury, power, and cold personality, and his personal chef, Samuel, a simple man with a quiet smile. Victor thought he knew everything about people. But when he secretly followed his chef after work, what he discovered broke him, changed him, and made him cry like a child. Stay till the end, because this story will open your heart. The Billionaire Mansion. Golden chandeliers, marble floors, guards standing at every gate. Victor Raymond walks into his dining hall wearing a $15,000 suit. Everyone stands straight, maids, waiters, and especially the chef, Samuel. Samuel bows slightly. Samuel, soft voice, good evening, sir. Your dinner is served. Victor nods with little interest. He sits alone at a giant table built for 12. No family. No laughter. Only silence. His parents died early. His wife divorced him. His son lives abroad. Money was everywhere, but love was nowhere. He tasted the food, paused, and frowned. Victor, too salty. Samuel gulped, nervous. The staff stared at him. Samuel, forgive me, sir. I'll remake it immediately. Victor waved his hand. Victor, forget it. Bring dessert instead. But that night, Victor noticed something. As Samuel walked away, he had a small limp, like someone in pain, yet he still moved fast and served with respect. Something felt unusual. A strange observation. Days passed. Victor started observing Samuel more closely. He noticed Samuel came early every day, before sunrise. He always left late, long after others. He never took extra food. His clothes were clean but old. He always smiled, even when exhausted. One night after dinner, Victor watched him pack leftover vegetables carefully into a small lunchbox. He covered it like a treasure. Victor, thinking, why not take meat? Why only vegetables? Curiosity began to grow. The rumor. Victor called his HR manager. Victor, what do we know about Samuel? The HR opened a file. HR. He joined 3 years ago. Excellent worker. No complaints. He takes no loans, no salary advances, never asks for favors. But he always declines salary raises. Victor lifted his brows. Victor, declines? Why? HR. He said others need money more than him. He requested we give his raise to the cleaning staff whose husband passed away. Victor leaned back, surprised. A man refusing money? Decision to follow. One evening, Victor sat alone thinking. Victor, why does a man with so little give so much? What is he hiding? That night, when Samuel left work, instead of going home, Victor followed quietly in his black car. Following the chef. Samuel walked, not by taxi or car. He walked miles, through busy streets, then into a poor neighborhood. Victor slowed down, headlights dimmed. Samuel entered a small house, barely standing, roof patched with plastic sheets. The lights inside flickered weakly. Victor's chest felt heavy. The heartbreaking truth. Victor walked closer and peeked through the broken window. Inside, Samuel placed the leftover vegetables on a plate. A little girl sat on a bed, fragile, pale, connected to an oxygen machine. Girl, smiling weakly. Papa, you came. I'm hungry. Samuel sat beside her, tears hidden behind his smile. Samuel, I brought your favorite vegetables with love. The girl's arms were thin. Too thin. She ate slowly, happily. Girl, will I be able to go to school again? Samuel froze. His smile broke. He touched her hair gently. Samuel, voice trembles. Inshallah, very soon, my princess. He walked to another room, and Victor followed quietly. There Samuel opened a drawer. Inside was a pile of unpaid hospital bills. He held them, eyes full of pain. Samuel, I will get you treated, no matter what. Victor stepped back, shocked. This man who cooked for billionaires could barely feed his daughter. The moment that changed everything. Samuel pulled out an old framed picture. A woman smiled in it, bright eyes, happy. He kissed the photo. Samuel, broken whisper. I miss you, Anna. If only you were here. I'm trying. I'm trying for our daughter. Victor covered his mouth, trying to hold back tears. The billionaire who had everything felt poorer than this man with almost nothing. The next morning, at work, Samuel served breakfast like usual, smiling politely. Victor stared at him differently now, not as a worker, but as a father fighting the hardest battle. After breakfast, Victor asked everyone to leave the room. Samuel stayed, confused. Victor, how long has your daughter been sick? Samuel froze. His eyes widened. Samuel. Sir. Victor, I followed you last night. Samuel's face fell. He dropped to his knees. Samuel. Please, sir, don't fire me. I need this job for her treatment. I'm sorry if I... Victor's voice softened. Stand up, Samuel. You are not in trouble. Samuel slowly rose, eyes filled with fear and hope. Victor, why didn't you ask for help? Samuel looked down. Samuel, everyone has problems, sir. I believe Allah tests those He loves. I didn't want to burden anyone. Victor felt a lump in his throat. A father's gift. Victor walked forward. Victor, you are not a burden. You are a hero. From today, your daughter's hospital bills, treatment, and education. I will take care of everything. Samuel's mouth dropped open. Tears streamed down his face. He tried to speak but words failed. He fell at Victor's feet, but Victor quickly stopped him. Victor, don't bow to me. We are both fathers. Samuel cried in his arms like a child. A new life begins. Weeks passed. The girl received surgery. Her cheeks became rosy, her smile brighter. Victor visited her often. One day, she whispered, Girl, Uncle Victor, thank you for saving my life. Victor smiled genuinely, a smile he hadn't felt in years. Victor, you saved mine too. Final scene, the big reveal. Months later, Victor held a grand event at his mansion. Lights, guests, cameras. He called Samuel forward. Everyone clapped, surprised, confused. Victor announced, Samuel is no longer just a chef. From this day forward, he is my business partner. A man who knows how to share even when he has nothing. Deserves everything. Samuel burst into tears. His daughter watched proudly beside him. Ending message. Narrator voice deep and emotional. Never judge someone by their uniform. Behind every smile, there may be a battle you know nothing about. Kindness costs nothing. But its value is beyond all riches.